Hi everyone, this is from Land Direct USA, your source of quality and affordable land. And today we're going to talk about the beautiful city of Cleveland, Texas. Now, Cleveland is a city in Liberty County in southern Texas. It lies about 45 miles north or northeast of Houston, which gives a proximity to major metropolitan area. Also, the city is tied to railroads and the timber industry. So the name Cleveland came from Charles Lander Cleveland, who deeded land for a railway station to bear his name. Originally a junction point of timber and railway transport, over time has evolved toward more mixed economy. So the city has agriculture, some industry, and increasingly residential growth. So we offer a lot of lands here. I'm just gonna zoom out. Let's see the major highways and transportation here in the area. So understanding the transportation network is crucial. So you will see here the value, access, and future development's potential. Let's just check. Your lot is just right here in the red dot. You will see here a lot of houses nearby. So US Highway 59 runs southeast towards Houston and northeast through East Texas. State Highway 105 is an east-west route, connects to east and west parts of the region, including towards Beaumont to the east. State Highway 321, it's a north-south road, intersects within Cleveland. Cleveland Municipal Airport, east of town, and this is a general aviation. Provides local access within the area. Now for the nearest major cities, we have Houston, Texas, which is a major nearest metro center. Cleveland is within commuting or business reach of Houston. So nearby smaller cities include Conroe, Texas, The Woodlands, and New Caney. In addition, Cleveland is situated between Beaumont to the east and Navasota to the west via State Highway 105. Now, why it's good to buy land here in Cleveland, Texas. First is the proximity to major metro at lower cost. Again, you get access to Houston market, like jobs, infrastructures, and services without being in the core urban area. Growth and development. So Cleveland is one of the fastest growing areas in Liberty County, with expansion in housing, subdivisions, new residents, and businesses. And as you can see, for transportation and access, the presence of US Highway 59, Interstate 69 also ensures that land close to those corridors is more valuable. So Cleveland also has good access via highways and also railroads, and supports industrial and logistics use of land. Also, you can take into consideration the strategic position for future growth. As Houston grows outward, suburbs and exurbs continue expanding. So the land is currently somewhat peripheral, can become more urbanized over the next 10 or 20 years, making it very beneficial for those who will be buying land here. Now, if you're interested with this lot, again, just don't hesitate to call us at 928-515-3510. Thank you.